My name is Hayley and I am an EFT therapist, EFT tapping and matrix reimprinting therapist, and I've been doing this for about 10 years, and I've been running these lives on and off now for a good couple of years. Always nice to have a theme and a subject, and so in particular, as I've explained, today felt like a really good time for us to work today in this tap along on releasing what's no longer needed and really coming to that experience of trust in the courageous heart, so that we can take those steps forward. So let's begin. Let's take a nice deep breath in. Let's place our hands onto our heart. Inhale deeply and exhale fully, just keeping the eyes closed here. And as you're doing that, I want you to think about something that you really want. A dream, an experience, something that you want for your life. Something that you want to say yes or no to, but you've been really cautious in doing so. Something that you want to bring into your life, something that you want to step into, or maybe something that you want to fully step out of. But you've been cautious. You haven't quite had the courage to be able to fully embrace that next step, or to fully let go of something, or to trust yourself in knowing what's right for you and when the time is right for you to do that. But there's a calling there, there's something that's not quite going away. And just feeling into that dream. And I want you to take a picture and really view about, if you're able to say yes or no, fully step into something, how that feels for you, the excitement there, what that dream feels like for you. And as you focus on that dream and really embrace, see that picture of what that dream could look like for you. I want you to notice, where is there a little niggle in the body? Where is there a little thought that's coming up? Where is there some resistance? And that might be a no. That might be an experience of fear. It might be a heaviness in the stomach. It might be a creeping heaviness or weight coming across the shoulder. It might be a pain in the right foot. It can be anything, but it will manifest in some way. It might just be a heavy thought in the mind. So just noticing where that is in the body, and how intense is that out of 10, with a 10 being off the scale, super intense, and a 0 being nothing whatsoever. Notice what that number is. That's really important. And I just want you to tune into what the emotion is within that, or emotions. Is that fear? Is that worry? What word would you use? Apprehension, terror, scarediness. What word is it that you would use? And what's the emotion that's underneath that as well for you? And does it have any aspects to it? Does it have any colours, any shapes? Is it hot or cold? Is it spiky? Is it heavy? Is it light? Is it like a plate? Is it like a ball? All of these aspects really matter. And just giving it, recognising the personality, that this emotion has when you think about your goal, this negative, limiting experience. Okay, and I'm going to be encouraging you to use all of these aspects as we're tapping through the rounds. Okay, really nice to have a specific outlet, a specific way of focus for you. So coming into tapping on the base of the hand here, and just repeating out loud after me. Even though I have this dream, I have this experience that just keeps calling me, there's still this part of me that has worry, that has fear, that has, name whatever emotion it is you may be feeling, that's just holding me back from fully stepping into it, or fully sharing it with others, or fully owning it. But that's okay, because this is where I'm at, and I accept that completely, and I love and accept myself completely, even though I have this dream that just doesn't seem to want to let go. I still have these worries. And so sometimes there's this back and this forth. But that's okay, because I accept that this is where I'm at, and that's fine. And I love and accept myself through all of this completely. And even though when I think about my dream, I have this feeling in my body, and just now naming where it is you feel it, without limiting that heaviness, that worry is within your body, what shape it has. Just naming that out loud. But that's okay, because I accept that this is how I am. I accept completely that this is how I feel. I'm not fighting that anymore. And as I do so, I am able to love and accept myself even more completely. So top of the head, this dream that I have, onto the eyebrow, this experience I really want, side of the eye, this dream that I have, these dreams that I have, under the eye, just doesn't seem to want to let go, onto the upper lip, and I felt it calling even more strongly, onto the chin. The call never really goes away. I can see it in my mind's eye, onto the collarbone here, tapping both hands or one hand flat. Just doesn't seem to go away. Under the arm. And so I'm here today to understand it a little more, to let it speak a little louder. Under the chest, to let it speak a little louder, and so I can listen a little clearer. Onto the thumb, and I can trust myself a little more. Onto the thumb. Whether that's trusting my gut, my heart, my instincts, the voice in my mind, however it is that speaks to me, onto the middle finger. I'm here today to release the clouds, onto the ring finger, release the mist, so that I can know. Top of the head, so it can stop badgering me, waking me up at night, calling to me at times. Onto the other, and I can actually do something about it. I can just allow myself to really own this dream and the possibility that something really fucking amazing is about to happen for me. Under the eye, and all I need to do is take a step. And although that feels exciting, and it does, there's still a little part of me onto the chin. There's still a little part of me onto the collarbone that worries, and I recognise that. And at the minute, how I feel it, and now just naming how you feel it. Where do you feel it on your body? What emotion is it? Under the arm. I recognise that this is how I feel. Under the chest. This is how I'm feeling at the minute, but that's okay. Because I'm here today to listen to that too, onto the thumb. I'm here today to stop blocking things, so I can hear openly my heart, my gut, and I can make the choices that are right for me. Middle finger, ring finger, because this battle is tiring. I'm ready for more. Little finger, and I'm ready for more. And I'm ready for more. Coming to the base of the hand, taking a breath in. Just noticing, how does that feel within you, that little niggly part? It's likely that it's gone down, maybe a half even. Always worth recognising those halves. It may have gone up slightly, so if it's gone up a little bit, that's fine. Place the hands onto the heart, just taking a breath in. And it's probably changed shape as well. Okay, maybe it's gone from a flat plate to a ball, maybe the motion has changed, maybe it's moved parts of the body, the colour's changed. However that is, just recognising that, bringing that back in. We're here today to give that space as well. We're not here to battle or to fight against anything. We recognise how we feel. It makes it easier for us to release it so that we can really come into owning more clearly in our heart where it is we need to go and what we need to do. So even though I have this dream, but I have this worry, and I feel this worry right now, and now just naming where it is that you feel it, but that's okay, because this is where I'm at, and that's really, really fine, but I'm ready to do something more. And I love and accept myself as I take this journey. Even though I want to believe that really great things could happen to me, I really want to own it fully, and I do at times, but often I don't. And it's this push and pull, it's this heaviness, because I know that I'm heading there. I'm ready to take the leap now and stop this slow journey. But this is where I'm at, and I love and accept myself completely. Even though I have this dream and it feels really wonderful, and I want to believe and I want to fly into it, it can feel a little heavy at times. And I feel this right now in my body. Just naming where it is you feel it and all of the aspects of it. But that's okay, because I really respect that this is how I'm feeling about it. And I understand that these worries will come up at other times. But I also know that I'm here to trust myself just a little more. I also know I'm here for a reason. And I love and accept myself completely through it all. So top of the head, this dream that I have is not going away. Onto the eyebrow point, but this niggly voice and this worry and this fear. Side of the eye, that seems to take different shapes, and right now I feel it in and just naming where it is you feel it and how you feel it. Under the eye, but that's okay, because I can look at that now. Under the upper lip, I can look at that now. I can really look at those worries and I can be grateful for them. Onto the chin, because they've helped me get so far. They've helped to support me. They've helped me in my dreams. But right now I'm ready to take a bigger leap. Onto the collarbone. I'm about to take a bigger step. And although that does feel a little bit worrying, it also feels quite exciting. I also feel really ready. I can feel that fire in my heart under the arm. I can feel that fire in my heart. So I have to say thank you to those worries, whatever they may be, that fear, those past experiences that may be driving that. But I'm about to bow out from that. I'm about to say thank you and goodbye under the chest. I'm about to say thank you. I'm saying thank you and goodbye. And I'm about to step fully into the future I want to own. Onto the thumb, index finger. I'm about to step fully into that now. And that feels really exciting. And now suddenly onto the middle finger, the fear turns to a bit of thrill, a bit of excitement. And it feels really good to own that. And I can allow onto the ring finger, I can allow my mind to travel. I can allow my heart to go there, and I can allow myself to see how this dream can take shape. Onto the little finger, how this future can take shape. Top of the head, I allow myself to go there. And now just really visioning and falling into this dream, stepping into it, closing the eyes as you do so. Feeling that feeling in the heart, feeling that dream take shape. All the colours and all the aspects of it onto the eyebrow point. Really feeling into that. How does the heart feel? How does the stomach feel? What's that dream feel like as you fully step in, drop the weight, side of the eye, owning it fully. Notice the colours. Notice the voices under the eye. Allow the tapping to Really allow each of those steps forward to be lighter and brighter and more flowful. Under the chin, trusting that this flow is something you're going to be experiencing going forward in your life from this moment on. Releasing the baggage of the worries. This flow in the heart. Really breathing that in. And knowing as this flow calls you onto the collarbone, knowing as this flow calls you in these coming days and weeks, that you can trust the steps it's asking you to take towards this bigger picture. The guidance is always right under the arm, even though it might feel a little daunting, even though we have to say yes or no to certain things that may have kept us safe before. We can really trust that we're supported under the chest, that this dream is supporting us in where we need to go. Feeling into the heart once more, taking a nice deep breath in, coming to the base of the hand, karate chop point, taking a really nice deep breath in, closing the eyes, bringing the hands, both the hands onto the heart, inhaling, exhaling, feeling into that feeling into that dream. Understanding that there's steps that you have taken to get you here, to where you are today and to where you're going, and that the heart has guided you. And knowing that it's going to be sending you signals, guiding you forward as you take this step into where it is that you want to go next. Taking a really nice deep breath in, filling the heart, and knowing you can come back to this place whenever needed. And exhaling. And just opening the eyes, rubbing the hands onto the knees. Ground yourself in a little bit more. Thank you very much for joining me today. Always short and sweet and never enough time. But I just want you, just before we go, that niggles, those worries, those fears, wherever they were in the body, where are they now? What level are they at? What number are they at? Really key, so key that we focus on these numbers, because this is how you know you've made change. This is how the logical mind, you can show the logical mind that what you've done in these 20 minutes has made a difference to how you feel. And how you feel is really, really key. So you can come back to this video whenever you want to. You can come back to every morning as part of a meditation, part of a morning mantra. Yeah, or any of my other videos that are on here. This video can be used at any time. So, yeah, I really wish you well in your dreams and taking those steps forward. Happy Aries new moon, happy new week, or whenever you're listening to this. Have a wonderful day. Thank you.